Welcome to my mama's channel, Recipes by Anjali. Okay, so this recipe is my entire family's favorite. There is a little history behind this recipe and I'm going to share that with you somewhere in the middle of this video. So without further ado, let's get started. To make this recipe, you will need around 200 grams of paneer, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, salt as per taste, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 1 spoon of Shahi Paneer masala, and if this masala is not available, please feel free to use any curry powder of your choice. Next, 50 grams of butter, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 3 to 4 spoons of kasuri methi, half spoon of red chili powder, chopped coriander leaves, fresh cream, and 2 bowls of milk. To make the masala, you would need 4 medium-sized pieces of ginger, 7 to 8 pods of garlic, 1 big chopped onion, 1 big cardamom, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 3 units of clove, 2 spoons of pumpkin seeds, 7 to 8 pieces of cashew and almond each, and 2 small-sized tomatoes. Now put all the ingredients mentioned for masala into a grinding jar and make a fine paste. About the history of this recipe, we once had a dish named Paneer Methi Chaman from a restaurant. And ever since we had it, we might have ordered it from the same place a couple of 100 times. The restaurant unfortunately shut down, but still we craved the dish. Mama checked this recipe on YouTube and Google, but nothing was close to what we had tasted. And that's when she thought, why not crack this recipe? So after a lot of failed attempts, she cracked the combination. So now, here we have Paneer Methi Chaman. Now cut the paneer into small cubes. In a heating pan, pour the butter and allow it to melt. We have taken salted butter over here. After the butter melts, put cumin seeds and allow it to splutter. And post that, add onions and sugar and fry them until they are golden brown. Next, add the masala from the grinding jar into the pan. Pour some water into the jar to clean the remaining masala and put it into the pan too. After the masala cooks for a while, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and keep cooking it until the oil separates or starts leaving the masala. Now add the Shahi Paneer masala or any powdered curry powder of your choice, salt as per taste, and kasuri methi into the pan and mix it well. Now put the cut paneer cubes into the masala and mix it up. After you have mixed, add milk into the masala and allow it to boil. Next, add chopped coriander leaves into the gravy and mix it up. In the end, add fresh cream, mix it, and your Paneer Methi Chaman is ready. So do give it a try and let us know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. I'm editing this video and trust me, I'm drooling all over it. So yeah, do give it a try and let us know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Until the next video, stay home and stay safe.